coughing. Some of you have told me that you go live and you just can't stop coughing, you get a tickle in your throat. Drink water, be hydrated. Drink water up to an hour before you go live, and try and drink quite a bit. I mean, like a pint over the morning. Some people have to just sip it because it makes them feel a bit sick if they drink a lot of water at once. But your throat needs to be really hydrated. Now, another really important point for you, if you have coughing, a lot of us ladies, especially if we're empathetic people, we tend, can you see what I'm doing? We tend to move forward like this, bending the windpipe forward. Okay, if we bend the windpipe forward, you might hear in my breathing, can you hear that? That it's causing it difficult for me to breathe properly, and it's causing a strain on my voice. So make sure we've got a C curve in our spine. Make sure that C curve is straightened, that you're really sitting up. I don't mean ramrod straight, because if you are, that will be tense. You'll bring tension into your voice, people will be able to hear that, and also that will start the tickly coughing thing. So you need to be poised, very poised in your posture, a bit like a ballet dancer, or you feel very important. And you don't have to appear all snooty, but it's much better than this. Yeah, we're collapsing here, we're not protecting our tiny little vocal folds in here. So for coughing, try to breathe deeply. Right, let's have a little practice of some deep breathing now. I'd like you to breathe in deeply through your nose, and as you do so, relax your shoulders. Feel like your shoulders are floating down your back. Feel like your abdomen, your belly, is just expanding round, like you're blowing up gently and a little bit a rubber ring, you know, when you're swimming. So relax down and expand out under your ribs. So let's do that a few times. I'm going to do some arm things to help you, but you don't need to do that. So keep your posture poised. Okay, a few deep breaths. And out through the mouth. And again. And out through the mouth. Already feel calmer? If you say something to yourself, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you should feel that your voice is calmer as well. So keep that poised posture. Now we're just going to gently wake up the voice, and a great gentle wake up for the voice is just a bit of humming. Actually, when you get up, it's a good idea to do a little bit of yawning, because that's also a really good warm up for the voice. So it's great to just so let's do a bit of yawning together. Oh, humming. Slide up. And slide in circles. Okay, keep that lovely poised posture and roll your shoulders. You can shut your eyes if you want and breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. A little tip when you're rolling your shoulders is don't scrunch them in, stretch them out. A little bit of sighing. Oh, great. So that's point 2, that's sort of a little bundle of exercises for point 2 if you cough when you do your lives. So